life is a playground of illusions. What do we know for sure? Nothing. We live in our individual hologram. We all believe in our own constructed images of all existence. Of all existence. It's a miracle that we can communicate with each other at all. It's a miracle that we can communicate with each other at all. How can we understand each other when we live in different universes? What lets us understand and enrich our universe? Connection with others, communication. Through the other, we mirror and get reflected. So we see that our world is unique, and there is no general truth, no general right or wrong, no general right or wrong. We are constructions of culture, of society, of our parents, ancestors, of all the stories that still exist here now in all dimensions. All timelines are here at the same moment, so you can always choose the love or fear path. So you can always choose the love or fear path. So you can always choose the love or fear path. Trust or worry, trust or worry, trust or worry, trust or worry. It's like a light switch